If you follow me since a while, you know I do my eye makeup first, and first I'm priming my lids so that the eyeshadows pop and come out really nice. Then I'm placing the eyeshadow where I want them to be, and then we'll be blending it using a precise blending brush. Then I'm cutting my crease using concealer and a flat shader brush, and slowly and steadily, be patient while you are doing it, don't be in a rush. And then using an eyeliner brush, a dark brown and black eyeshadow, I am giving it some depth so that it looks sharp and crisp, and then applying glue and follow it up with glitter. And then I'm curling my eyelashes and followed it up with mascara. And then the most beautiful part, eyelashes. Then I did my base off camera, and then I'm applying concealer under my eyes, around my mouth, bridge of my nose, forehead, and just below the contour line. Then I'm blending it. Then I'm cream contouring my face, and the usual places, my face and my jawline. And then I'm setting my complete face under my eyes, under the contour, so that it looks sharp. And then some cream contour, and then adding some blush to give some color, flush of color to my cheeks. And first placing it some on my chin and on my nose as well, because I like it there. And then I am just placing it, and now I will be using a stippling brush so that it looks blended. And then I'm doing my nose contouring, and now I will set my face with a setting spray. Then followed it up with a highlighter on my cheeks, on my bridge of my nose, cupid's bow, then lining my lips, and using a nude lip pencil, then adding lipstick and lip gloss. And here's the final look, you guys. Do tell me, how did you like the look? I just loved it, each and everything, the hairstyle, the eye makeup, the lips, the base, each and everything. I just loved it. Do consider liking the video if you found it helpful.